Weirdo, wacko, mental, basket case, nutcase, psycho, mental, retard, loony, stupid, duffer, lunatic, nuts, and so on. You may not realize this, but using any of these terms can have a deep impact on a person's overall well-being. Around 20% of Indians suffer from some or the other sort of mental illness. Now is the time to think and talk about these issues. So, what is mental illness, or what is a mental health ailment? Well, according to American Psychiatric Association, mental illness or mental ailments are changes in a person's emotions, thinking, or behavior, or maybe a combination of all of these. So, what is its correlation with physical health? Well, if you're not in a healthy state of mind, you are at a much higher risk of a physical ailment. Studies have suggested that when people struggle with significant mental health conditions, their physical ailments and physical issues also accelerate. So sometimes people indulge in destructive ways to deal with stress. For example, drinking excessively, gambling, doing drugs, watching TV for hours together, binge eating on junk food, or not eating at all. Alright, so if mental illnesses are directly correlated to physical illnesses, do they have the same symptoms? Well, before mentioning about the symptoms of mental illness, it is very important to note that mental illness may or may not occur due to a specific reason. They may occur even without it. Struggling through the night and waking up with no emotions or feelings, getting easily exhausted and drained, constant confusions and distress and uncertainties, sudden disinterest in activities and people, feeling worthless, wanting to run away and hide, accelerated emotions, feeling of crying even in the smallest of situations, and so on and on. Phew. The list can go on and on. Now, isn't this less of a strain or stress than a physical ailment? Think about it. This mental illness week, please take a pledge to check on your loved ones, talk to people around you more often, pen down your thoughts or emotions in a journal, or simply become aware of mental illness and its ailments and how it is equally important as any physical strain or ailment. Together, we can fight it and conspire our way through it. Together, we can.